Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we are going to solve one very interesting log equation. It is log x with base 5 plus log x with base 6 equal to 2. So let's get it started. I will take this log x base 6 to the RHS first. So I can write log x with base 5 equal to 2 minus log x with base 6. Now here we have base 6. Can we write 2 in log with base 6? So yes, we can think about one log property, log a with base a equal to 1. So I can write this 2 as 2 times 1, and this 1 we can replace with log 6 with base 6. So I can write 2 times log 6 with base 6 minus log x with base 6. Now we have another log property, b log a can be written as log a power b. So I can take this 2 as a power of 6. I can write log 6 square base 6 minus log x base 6. Now 6 square is 36. So I can write log 36 with base 6 minus log x with base 6. LHS is log x base 5. Now we have quotient rule from log properties. Log a minus log b equal to log a over b. So RHS we can write log 36 over x with base 6. So I can write log x with base 5 equal to log 36 over x with base 6. Now I will put this equation equal to m. So I can write from here log x with base 5 equal to m, our equation number 1. And second equation, I can write log 36 over x with base 6 equal to m. So this is in log form. We can write in exponent form also. Using property log a with base b, if it is equal to c, then we can write a will be equal to b raised to the power c. So I can write exponent form of equation 1 as x equal to 5 raised to the power m. And here the exponent form of equation number 2 will be 36 over x equal to 6 raised to the power m. So I will call equation 1 and equation 2, only form change is there. Now I will multiply both the equations. So let me write here x equal to 5 power m, our equation 1, equation 2, 36 over x equal to 6 power m. Let's multiply 1 times 2. So I will multiply LHS with LHS. X times 36 over x will be equal to 5 power m times 6 power m. So this x will be cancelled out from LHS. 36 equal to 5 power m times 6 power m. Now we know the property from exponents, a power c times b power c. We can write a times b whole power c. So our equation will be 36 equal to 5 times 6 whole power m. Now this will be equal to 36, and here we can write 30, power will be m. So I can write 36 is equal to 30 power m. If a equal to b power c and we want to find the value of c, then we need to write it is equal to log a with base b. So I can calculate the value of m from here as log 36 with base 30. Now our equation number 1 was x equal to 5 power m. So I can write the value of m as log 36 with base 30. Now this is our answer if we want to write in terms of exponents and log. 5 raised to the power log 36 base 30. And using calculator, if we want to calculate log 36 base 30, then this value is 1.0536. So we can calculate the x in decimals also. 5 raised to the power 1.0536, approximate value it is. Value will come out 5.45. So this will be our final answer. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Till next video, bye bye and take care of yourself.